rear wheel is 9 millimeters closer, so I have a shorter wheelbase. Because this bike feels amazing. It feels like a 660. Alright guys, part 2 video from 520 chain and sprocket conversion. Video from part 1 was installation. Now what we're gonna do is ride it, see how we like it. But before we do that, we have to calibrate the APRC. To do that, you have to hit the right button here, press and hold, and you will get the menu. You'll see vehicle, hit the right button again, and then you'll go down to calibration. 1, 2, 3, 4, and once you hit calibration, this is going to pop up. It's going to say calibration running, speed not correct, because we need to bring the bike up to speed, which means we have to bring it up to 39 to 40 kilometers per hour or 25 to 26 miles per hour. So let's go ahead and do that. And also guys, it has to be in second gear, right here like this. A little slower, I'm in traffic, hold speed. Calibration done, key off. Basically you have to turn off the key right now. You have to stop and turn on the bike again. Obviously I can't stop right here in the middle of the street, so I'm just gonna stop there at the traffic light. Alright. Calibration says done, key off. Turn the key off. Turn it back on, and you calibrate it. There you go. Alright guys, let's go for a ride, see what this can do. Okay, right off the bat, the first feeling is that it's very light. The throttle is very light, and it's not because of the increase of the 2 teeth up in the rear. It's just the chain feels lighter. When you increase the throttle, it just feels that it's not struggling to pull those 2000 RPM. It just feels so much lighter. See, now I'm on third gear and I can just pull easy, and that's due to the sprocket increase. I can feel the difference right away. Look, I'm on fourth gear and the bike still pulls very easy. Fifth gear at 60 miles an hour, and it's so easy. It has so much torque, and that is due to the 2 teeth up. So someone commented on my channel and said that they did not increase the teeth in the back or decrease the teeth in the front. All they did is basically change their chain to the 520, and he did say that he felt the difference. I believe that because you can feel the difference right away at a very low RPM. So just by going to 520, you can still feel the difference. Yeah, fifth gear, under 60 miles an hour, and it pulls so easy. If you're using this bike in town, 520 conversion chain is a must. The question is, how is it going to feel the canyons? Which I have a feeling is going to feel very good. I know this is weird, but for some reason I feel that the bike can turn easier. I think it's this placebo effect, I'm not sure. But definitely the 520 chain gets me excited to push this bike even more. Like, it wants to go. It just wants to pull. See, I'm on second gear. I didn't have to go to first. Usually for a slow turn like this, I would have to downshift to first, because if I was a second gear, I would have to kind of clutch it a little bit, because it would get too jittery. Now it doesn't. Yeah, I gotta warm up the tires a little bit because I can't push it too hard. It's a little bit chilly. Plus I'm very low on tires, so I have to take it slow. Oh. Whoa. Oh, it pulls like crazy, man. Okay, I can't keep the fan down. Oh, let's see. Here I had to be in first gear. Oh, wow. I don't have to downshift. Oh my god. Okay, this was definitely a first gear turn. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Yeah, guys, if you want to do like this type of slow turns, with a 43 rear is a must. I used to hate these slow turns because I had to downshift in first. I don't anymore. Okay, but the thing is that the front wheel, I think I have to increase the wheelie control or something. This is crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, it feels like I'm riding my 660 with 200 horsepower. And these are slow turn, guys. I'm near like 40 miles an hour to 50. Oh my god. This is a must. So far, I'm loving it. Okay guys, if you're planning to do canyons and you have like slow turns like these, this conversion is a must. Well, we did slow turns. I'm curious how it's going to feel in fast turns and how it's going to affect the top speed. Gotta take it slow. We don't want to scare them. Okay, the sun is coming out. Warm up the tires a little bit. Oh, also guys, wow. Okay, the quick shifter and the blipper. Wow, the difference, it's insane. The shifts are so much smoother. Downshifts, upshifts. It's like the quality of the quick shifter has increased. Probably because it has to rotate less mass with the 520 chain. Alright, no joke guys. It feels like I'm riding my RS660 just by switching to 520 chain. This is crazy. I don't know how is that even possible. It just feels, even the bike feels lighter. I mean, I can't explain it. Oh, and I just realized what it is. I know exactly what it is right now. My rear wheel is 9 millimeters closer, so I have a shorter wheelbase. That's why. It lifts more and it twists better. So at the very least, if you don't change the teeth, figure out a way to make the wheelbase shorter. Because this bike feels amazing. It feels like a 660. feels like a 660 with insane power. Okay, let's do some highway speeds, see how it feels. Okay, I'm near 90 miles, 100 miles, 90, 95 per hour. And I'm near 7,000 RPM. Look, normally 7,000 RPM I would be at a higher speed, but yeah, not ideal for long distances for sure. Let's do some tunnel passes. Too much traffic. Yes. Let's see this right turn here, which we have a good straight. He would block me. I couldn't do it. We'll have another one. Whoop, yep. This is why you gotta be careful. Can't full send it. Always reserve. Full throttle. I cannot. It lifts too much. Whoa. Okay, let's not scare him. Okay, let's do a recap. Checklist. Pros. Better quick shifter and auto blip response. Much better. Lighter chain. Better throttle response. Smoother response. It feels lighter. Because of the increase of the two teeth in the back, we get a shorter wheelbase, which makes the bike much more agile, which is a huge pro. It feels like riding an RS660. It is crazy. An RS660 with 200 horsepower at the wheel. And better acceleration, faster acceleration. You get to that speed much faster. Now for cons, I only have one, technically. At least for me, and that is that the front wheel lifts so many times. It's very difficult to control to keep it down. You have to get used to barely blipping the throttle to even go straight. But I may just get used to it, and then we'll have zero cons. All right. We are on Neptune's net. put it right on display. This was a fun ride. Okay guys, you let me know what you think in the comments. Based on my experience and my feedback, what would you do? Would you go for it? Do only the 520 conversion chain? Go increase the rear sprocket by 2 teeth? Let me know in the comments, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm about to let you go because I'm about to go eat a burger. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.